Inspiration to all cancer patients. To all those who are suffering from cancer. Remember this. You are strong. You are courageous. And you are blessed. Our Lord God will be your shield to fight this battle. Your family will protect and care for you no matter what. Your friends will continue to add color into your life. Your doctor will be your new heart. Every day, there is brand new hope. So, wake up and enjoy the sunshine. Sing and enjoy the melody with the birds. Stand and reach for the stars. Smile and be a blessing. I hope you are inspired. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.